Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to show you how to play a simplified version of Sunshine of Your Love by Cream. So we're going to be starting on the low E string on fret number 10, just here. We're going to play it 2 times, then we're going to move back to fret 8, play once, back to fret 10, play once. Okay, so this is going to be our section 1. It's just going to sound like this. And again. Okay, one more time. Okay, so from there, we're then going to move down onto the next string, on the A string, but we're now going to use the 3rd finger and place it on fret 12. We're going to play that once. Then we're going to place 2nd finger on fret 11, just behind it. And then we're going to place the 1st finger on fret 10, just behind it. Okay, so this is going to be section 2. So we've got, one more time, so 12, 11, and 1. It's a good one just to get these 3 fingers working here. Alright, so let's just go back to section 1 again. So section 1 was 10, 10, 8, 10 on the low E string. Section 2, 3rd finger on fret 12. Then fret 11 with the 2nd finger, then fret 10 with the 1st finger. Alright, now section 3, we're just going to move down the string again with 3rd finger on fret 12 on the D string, play that once. 1st finger is going to go down another string onto the G string here, play fret 10, and then we're going to move back up to the same note we started on, which was fret 12 on the D. So this is going to be the 3rd section, which is going to sound like this. Okay. So, section 1, low E string, 10, 10, 8, 10. Section 2, 12, 11, 10 on the A string. Section 3, on the D, 12th fret, fret 10 on the G, back to 12 on the D. Okay, all together. And if you watch my right hand, I'm just doing all down picks for this, just to keep it super simple. So once you've done that there, what we're going to do is take the 1st finger all the way up to fret number 3, and we're going to repeat the same thing that we did here, but here, starting on fret 3, right? So we're going to have 3, 3, 1, 3 on the low E string. Okay, try that again. 3, 3, 1, 3. Then the 3rd finger is going to reach up to fret 5 on the A string. 2nd finger plays fret 4. 1st finger plays fret 3. Okay, so that's 1st section here again. 2nd section, fret 3. Fret 5, with 3rd finger. Fret 4 with 2nd finger. Fret 1 with 1st finger. And then the 3rd section, remember, 3rd finger on the D string, fret 5. 1st finger on the G string, fret 3, and back to that, fret 5 on the D string. Okay? So 1st section, 2nd section, 3rd section. Okay, so I think you've got to play it here, maybe about 8 times, I'm not sure, but we can listen to the music for that. And then I think maybe it comes back here, maybe 2 times. And then it comes back here, I think twice. So it's something like 8 here, 2 here, 2 here. And then we're going to go to fret number 5 here to play a power chord. And then we're going to basically be strumming down, up, down. So it's kind of down, up, down. All right, hopefully you can see my hand there. Down, up, down, okay. Down, up, down. Then we're going to go to fret 8, 1 strum. Then fret 3, 1 strum. So it's an A power chord, down, up, down. C power chord, G power chord. And I think we're going to do that, let me have a look. That's ones. Twice. 3 times. And then we're going to go back to the A here, and we're going to be strumming down, up, 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 down. So the strumming pattern there is just down, up, 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 down. So you're going to count it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole power chord part will be then back around, etc, etc. And there's one really awesome, really cool long solo, which I'm not going to do in this lesson, but give that a go. Hope you have fun with it. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers, bye bye.